Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to take a screenshot in your computer using snipping tools, a built-in function in Windows or Microsoft Windows operating system to take a screenshot. Actually, there are several tools or software that you can download or use in the internet, but this one is very native or built-in your operating system, especially you are using Microsoft Windows operating system. Before we start, if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Let's say for example, we will open an application here. Let's say calculator. We want to take this screenshot of this calculator, okay, in Windows. I'm using Windows 7. Simply go to start, select snipping tool, okay, and then click and drag, okay, after which the click and drag, okay, we can save our file, our image. Now click the save floppy disk icon. Let's say for example we will have the YouTube folder, let's say calculator, okay, so it is already saved. Now to verify if already saved the file, go to computer, local drive, double click YouTube folder, and then we have here the calculator. That is the simplest way to take a screenshot using a snipping tools in Microsoft Windows operating system. Okay guys, so I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Very short, very comprehensive, and very easy to follow. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.